Experience unbeatable reliability and performance with the Pico 4. Discover why it's the perfect device for your industrial needs in this informative video. Are you looking for an advanced and reliable device for your industrial needs? If so, the Pico 4 has it all. From its user-friendly interface and responsive controls to the long battery life and powerful connectivity options, the Pico 4 is the perfect balance between cost and value. Plus, the advanced thermal management system provides optimal performance in extreme conditions, making it perfect for outdoor use. Discover why the Pico 4 is the best device for your operations in this informative video. If you want to learn more about the Pico 4 and how it can help you in your operations, subscribe to NXT Gen and keep watching the video to find out more. When it comes to user interface, the Pico 4 stands out with its easy-to-use controls. It was designed with people in mind, so it's super easy to navigate and use. The touchpad is ultra-responsive, so you don't have to worry about input lagging or errors, plus the vibrant display looks great. This level of optimization makes it really convenient to use in industrial settings. But how does cost factor into the decision to use this kind of interface? The Pico 4 is incredibly impressive. It responds quickly and accurately, making it perfect for any industrial setting. The user interface was designed to be easy to use and efficient, so you can customize your settings without wasting any time or compromising precision. With its intuitive design, powerful features, and easy customization, the Pico 4 can help you save money on operations cost. The Pico 4 is an amazing device when it comes to performance. Not only does the fast processing speed ensure everything runs smoothly, but the normal reliable connectivity ensures that you always stay connected. Plus, the advanced thermal management system keeps the components running at the perfect temperature, even when you're doing intensive tasks. And with the long battery life, you won't have to worry about running out of power while you're working. All these features make the Pico 4 an invaluable tool for both professional and everyday tasks. So how much of a difference does the design, performance, and energy balance make in the real world? Let us know in the comments. What do you think are the potential downsides or trade-offs of the Pico 4? The Pico 4 is perfect for those who need to work on the go or outdoors. Its powerful battery and efficient power management system will keep you going even when you're doing intensive tasks. Plus, the long-lasting charge means you won't have to recharge it often, which makes it great for outdoor use. And if you have any connectivity issues while you're out and about, the Pico 4 has you covered with a range of connectivity options, like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected no matter where you are. But how can we make sure our devices are secure with all these new possibilities? Well, the Pico 4 is amazing when it comes to connecting with other options and devices and transferring data quickly. It has a range of connection options like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB-C, so you can easily connect it to any environment. Plus, you can connect it to external displays like TVs or projectors for a better viewing experience, perfect for presentations or conferences. And if you're going outdoors, you don't have to worry about staying connected. The powerful signal will make sure you stay online wherever you go. So what kind of accessories does this awesome technology come with? Well, the Pico 4 has a lot of great accessories that you can use to customize your experience and get the most out of it. These include carrying cases, screen protectors, and interchangeable tips for a secure fit when using it in an industrial setting. Plus, it comes with its own charging cable and instruction manual. All of these accessories make sure that your Pico 4 is tailored to you and fits perfectly into any situation. But is there anything we should be aware of while using the Pico 4? Are there any downsides or trade-offs? Well, let us know in the comments. What do you think are the potential downsides or trade-offs of using the Pico 4? The Pico 4 is a great device for users who need to do more intensive tasks, like those in industrial settings. It responds quickly and accurately, making it perfect for any situation. The compact design makes it easy to use on the go, and the user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate the controls without wasting any time or compromising precision. Plus, it has a long battery life and multiple connectivity options, so you have a powerful tool at your disposal. However, there are some trade-offs when using the Pico 4. Other similar devices may be cheaper, but they may not come with features like advanced thermal management systems, which help keep components running optimally even during stressful activities, something very essential if you're working outdoors or in hotter climates. Plus, high performance usually means higher cost. Thankfully though, included accessories make sure you're getting full value out of every penny spent. So when it comes to investing in technology, how does cost relate to value? The Pico 4 is a great purchase because it comes with a lot of features and benefits. It has a user-friendly interface, it's responsive to commands, it has a long battery life, and powerful connectivity options. Plus, the advanced thermal management system keeps components at the optimal temperature even in extreme conditions, making it perfect for industrial settings or outdoor use. All of these features make the Pico 4 a great balance between cost and value. You don't have to sacrifice quality if you need something more powerful than standard models but can't afford higher end. Overall, investing in devices like the Pico 4 will pay off in the long term in terms of productivity while keeping costs reasonable compared to other products with similar performance levels or feature sets. However, it is important to look at more than just the price tag when deciding which tech investment will give you the best return. You should also consider any potential maintenance costs over time and weigh each individual spec against your daily operations workflow scenarios before making a decision. What considerations do you think are unnegotiable? Virtual reality, VR technology has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including gaming, education, and healthcare. However, there are also several downsides to VR that should be considered. Additionally, the cost of VR-compatible computers or gaming consoles can also be prohibitively high. Another downside is the physical discomfort caused by prolonged use of VR headsets. Many users experience symptoms like eye strain, headaches, or nausea. This can make it difficult for some people to use VR for extended periods of time. VR can also be isolating because it completely immerses the user in a virtual world, disconnecting them from the real world. This can lead to feelings of isolation and disconnection from friends and family. There are also concerns about the impact of VR on mental health. Studies have shown that prolonged use of VR can lead to symptoms of depression and anxiety. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential for addiction to VR. Finally, there are also concerns about the lack of regulation in the VR industry. As the technology is still relatively new, there aren't very many guidelines in place to ensure the safety and well-being of users. Overall, while VR technology has the potential to be highly beneficial, it is important to be aware of its downsides and to use it in moderation. Overall, investing in devices like the Pico 4 will pay off in terms of increased productivity, while keeping costs reasonable compared to other products with similar performance levels or feature sets. However, it's important to look at more than just the price tag when deciding which tech investment will give you the best return. You should also consider any potential maintenance costs over time and weigh each individual spec against your daily operations workflow scenarios before making a final decision. What considerations do you think are unnegotiable? The Pico 4 is an amazing device for those who need to work on the go or outdoors. It's got a user-friendly interface, is ultra-responsive, has a long battery life, and powerful connectivity options. Plus, the advanced thermal management system keeps components at the optimal temperature even in extreme conditions, making it perfect for industrial settings or outdoor use. All of these features make the Pico 4 a great balance between cost and value, allowing users to get the most out of their investment. However, it's important to consider more than just the price tag when deciding which tech investment will give you the best return, like potential maintenance costs over time. Don't miss out on the latest in virtual reality technology. Find out if the HTC Vive XR Elite is the best VR has to offer in the next video. Find out if this device is the perfect balance of cost and value, with powerful features and easy customization. Don't wait. Get the answers you need now and see if the HTC Vive XR Elite is the best virtual reality device for you.